Hi, thanks for the introduction. And my name is Cary BARCE from Esri, China, Hong Kong. And thanks for to the organizer for inviting me to this presentation. Basically, I'll be introducing my company's new product. It's the ArcGIS GeoBIM. Basically, ArcGIS GeoBIM is a product which you can use to improve and streamline all your construction project workflows. It's a solution that you can explore BIM, engineering documents, GIS information, and improve project collaboration in a geographical context to analyze any possible risks, costs, and timelines. So, to start off, let me introduce my company first. My company is Esri, China, Hong Kong, and we're basically a Hong Kong-based Hong Kong IT company. We've been around since 1997, and we have more than 100 staff, the majority being expertise, technical staff in areas. We've been serving Hong Kong, Macau customers, and basically, been around for 25 years, and this year is our 25th anniversary. What we do is we specialize in GIS and mapping solutions, and we provide solutions and projects on the based on GIS platform on our Esri software. Basically, our software is called ArcGIS, and it's a product suite of various GIS modules for different industries, different expertise, different specialties, all in the GIS platform. We implement projects, we sell software, we provide the professional training to GIS expertise users, and we also provide professional services all related to GIS. So today's agenda, basically, it's I'll be talking about it. So we're focused on GIS and how we bring GIS and BIM, these two expertise areas together, and what are the issues being addressed when we bring together in the context of a construction project. And then I'll be talking about how we can improve projects using the marrying of GIS and the BIM disciplines together, and to understand the whole project and to avoid potential issues during the construction life cycle. And then I'll be drilling down into a new product, GeoBIM, and to provide the background of the product, and also provide a short demo video and to show you all what the look and feel the product shows, and what you can expect from this product. So basically, why are we bringing GIS and BIM together in the construction industry? So basically, what you're looking at is this up and down view of basically a construction project flow. When a owner-operator starts by planning construction projects, so right in the beginning, you'll be experiencing the building up of different information. But as you go through the planning and then the design and the construction phases, I'm sure a lot of organizations, when they go through a construction project process, there'll be different teams, different expertise teams, basically they're having different roles in the project, and they'll be building up their own data silos individually. So what you have is that you have all these different data silos, and you have these teams not communicating, collaborating each other, not only in a communication basis, but also in terms of the data. And so what this results in is that you will be doing a lot of rework, and there'll be some confusion, miscommunication, which potentially can cause errors during the construction project, which may result in cost implications or maybe even fatal issues. So what do we do? So our objective is basically to smoothing this loss of information, smoothing this information flow. And what we need is to basically marry basically to handle this data silos information more effectively and more efficiently, and avoid reworks and data conversion and all that. So what we can do is that we can integrate GIS and BIM workflows together, and this will really minimize all potential inefficiencies and information loss. So with proper integration, then each project can leverage these two disciplines, and then exchange the necessary information together, and to look at the whole project in the context, so that you have a much more clear picture to the owner operators and the different users, the disciplines, with regard to the progress. So basically, when you look at projects, you don't look at you don't look at one project in itself. You have to look at the project in the context of the environment. Like, for example, if you're looking at the project of building up in a certain location, you want to know what are the telecommunications service providers, what are the installations being in place in that particular location. You also want to look that, if in a concept, if you're looking at the BIM models, you want to look at the surrounding areas, the natural and built environments regarding that areas, all the terrain and geographic information, and also, like, for example, if you want to build a bridge, then you also want to understand the flows, the traffic flows, and the people living around that environment. So all these different information is very useful for users and viewers to have this holistic view of this whole project, and you can result in better planning and visualization and operation and result. So basically, this is a marrying of BIM, CAD, and GIS. So, these are very big difference between, what we do in GIS and what we do in BIM. So in BIM, as you can see in the screen, that is basically focused on the detailed asset information about the assets. And in GIS, we provide information about the assets in the context of the already built and the natural environment, the surrounding environment. So what we do is that, how do we marry these two disciplines together, GIS and BIM, and how do we transfer the whole process? So when you look deeper, okay, so you have different specific information which BIM workflow provides, accumulates, and GIS, as I described previously. So in GIS, you understand the built and natural environment at scale, which is we're very good at. Okay, you can look at the natural environment, the slopes of vegetation coverage, and people, the neighborhood, and all that. So what we're able to do is provide context, this information in the context, whether it's land information models, city information models, or network information models. All this information is available to the construction project, and marrying with the context available from BIM, we'll be able to provide a more holistic view of this project to the users. So basically, Esri and Autodesk, we've been working together for some years, and it's basically a very close collaboration. It's not only like a business, but our product teams have been working together and trying to build up connections and integrations between our two sets of products. So what understand in Autodesk, you'll be working on your BIM, on your construction civil files for such projects, and then once you finish all this BIM, this information on this construction works, that you'll be uploading it up to the construction cloud of BIM 360. On our side, our GIS users will be working on using ArcGIS Pro to work on the GIS information configuration on the GIS information. Then we'll be uploading to the cloud environment through our product ArcGIS Online Enterprise. So what we've been doing with Autodesk is we've been doing integrations between both our products, a set of products, and working in this regard. So from GIS, from our side, ArcGIS Online, ArcGIS Pro, we've been able to read Autodesk Civil 3D files, read files directly, bring those files into our environment, and then look at the details. So basically, our new product, ArcGIS GeoBIM, is the outcome of this collaboration, of this integration. Okay, what we're able to do is through this product, we're able to do a direct cloud-to-cloud connection between Autodesk Construction Cloud or BIM 360 to our ArcGIS Online, bringing these two worlds, these two disciplines together in a more holistic, more overall solution. Okay, so our product, GeoBIM, has been officially released in about October last year. And what it does is that through one of our features, a GeoBIM project, it creates a cloud-to-cloud linkage between both our online cloud environments. It allows our users to create experiences, visualizations of that data. And then through our GeoBIM apps, we'll be able to users will be able to build apps, application, and dashboards, and to get all this information out to different sets of users who normally wouldn't be able to access construction BIM data, but only want to look at certain views of the construction project. So you'll be providing different views and holistic information about certain projects to certain sets of users. So to give you an idea of what GeoBIM looks like, I prepared a time constraint. This is a demo clip. So what you're looking at is from our dashboard, is from our GeoBIM dashboard. So we've brought in some files, some construction files from BIM 360s. This location, you're looking at 3 construction buildings. So we've brought in all the information or details from BIM 360s. And then what you can do is that, when you click on a certain part of the construction, as you can see that it clicks on the wall of that construction structure. This immediately allows you to view all the asset details regarding to that clicked wall. And this is all done directly from BIM 360s. This is Autodesk through Autodesk Forge view. So on the left-hand side is our GIS view, and on the right-hand side is the BIM view. So you're looking directly at the BIM data of that particular item. So all the asset details are available to GeoBIM users to look at. Okay. So you can really look at the details of the appliance and all the assets information up to mechanical view or piping view. Okay, so you'll be able to access all the manuals, the warranty information, the maintenance information, or the design details of that particular item. And also, like for example, in this case, this is a railway line, and you'll be able to click on a certain power transmission pole, and then you're able to access all the details related to the different parts of that transmission pole. I probably need to skip. I would like to show you. Okay, so what we're looking at is also the underground view of one of these structure buildings. And what you can see here is that from this view, you can immediately see that there's an issue regarding the underground structure and the car park area. So what we can do from a GeoBIM is that we can raise an issue through GeoBIM. So basically, this actually shows that from GeoBIM, you're not only able to read BIM files from Autodesk, BIM 360, but also able to raise an issue from our side, and then so that this can immediately kick off the formal process on how to handle these issues. So you can have like summary of these issues. And also from our side, what you can see here are all these cones, and these cones are actually issues. And what we're able to do is that we're able to connect all these issues to specific drawing or specific sub-project or certain structure, and you're able to visualize where these issues are coming from. So all this are from a holistic point of view. Okay, so basically, so what GeoBIM offers is that it's a totally different pattern. It's not basically just connected environment between Autodesk and Esri. Okay, this basically provides a direct cloud-to-cloud environment, and also this unblocks all the additional valued information that you'll be able to offer to different sets of users, depending on what they want to see from the overall project, in the context. So the whole process, the key benefits of GeoBIM is basically, you can see all your complex projects on a map. You can look at individual buildings, multiple buildings in one map, and you can view all the related project data, activities, and issues in one single platform, and improve the collaboration between different project teams during the construction lifecycle in their whole organization. And definitely, at the end of the day, you can minimize data conversion and avoid reworks and miscommunication. So I believe my time's up. And yes. Okay, so this is the end of my presentation. Thanks to your organization for inviting me to this presentation again. Thank you.